Hi, where do you live?
I live in Seoul.
That's interesting. What's your favorite thing about living in Seoul?
I love the vibrant city life and the mix of modernity with tradition.
Nice. How long have you been living in Seoul?
I've been here for 3 years now.
What brought you to Seoul in the first place?
I moved here for work. I got a job opportunity that I couldn't pass up.
Cool. What's your favorite place to hang out in Seoul?
I enjoy spending time in Insadong. The cultural atmosphere there is amazing.
Do you have a favorite Korean dish?
Definitely kimchi jjigae. It's a comfort food for me.
Have you picked up any Korean phrases since you've been here?
Yes, I've learned some basic greetings and expressions to get by.
That's great. How do you commute in the city?
I usually take the subway. It's convenient and efficient.
What's the weather like in Seoul?
The weather varies, but generally, it's hot in summer and cold in winter.
Is there a particular season you enjoy the most?
I love spring when cherry blossoms bloom. It's so picturesque.
Nice choice. Are there any local festivals you look forward to?
Yes, I always enjoy attending the Seoul Lantern Festival. It's beautiful.
What's the cost of living like in Seoul?
It can be a bit high, especially in popular areas, but there are affordable options too.
Do you have any Korean friends?
Yes, I've made some great friends at work and through social events.
How about the nightlife in Seoul? Any favorite spots?
I like exploring Itaewon for its diverse nightlife scene.
Do you travel outside Seoul often?
Occasionally, I explore other parts of South Korea when I have time.
What's your favorite mode of transportation for weekend getaways?
I usually take the KTX train for a quick and comfortable journey.
Interesting. Any cultural shocks you experienced when you first moved here?
The hierarchical structure in workplaces was different from what I was used to.
How did you adapt to that?
It took some time, but observing and learning from colleagues helped me adjust.
Do you participate in any local activities or clubs?
Yes, I joined a language exchange club to improve my Korean.
That's a great idea. How do you find the work culture in Seoul?
It's fast-paced, but there's a strong sense of collaboration and dedication.
Are there any places in Seoul you haven't explored yet but want to?
I'd love to visit the palaces like Gyeongbokgung and Changdeokgung more thoroughly.
Do you have any tips for someone planning to move to Seoul?
Learn some basic Korean, embrace the culture, and be open to new experiences.
Thanks for sharing. Any plans for the upcoming weekend?
I'm thinking of checking out a new exhibition at the Seoul Museum of Art.
Sounds like a great plan. Enjoy your weekend in Seoul.